Well, well, well! It looks like these girls think they might need a pregnancy test. It's so exciting!
Oh!
But a positive pregnancy test can be a cause for celebration or frustration. Let's look at these two moms-to-be. How are they different if one's a bold go-getter and the other one's sweet and mild? Pregnancy can cause all kinds of inconveniences, like swollen feet. Barbara is using a gentle massager to help. Oh, those soft things are so cute! My feet will be thrilled!
Wow!
Those pillows are so squishy! So nice! Alice has the same problem, but a completely different solution.
Ow.
A spiky massager with sharp pins. That's her go-to. It hurts to even look at it. She's a bold girl. What can I say? Unfortunately, you still have to clean when you're pregnant. Barbara carefully cleans some dust.
Oh no.
When suddenly, a candy wrapper on the floor. It has to be picked up. Stat! Uh-oh, this isn't gonna be easy. Her sweetheart is back from work. Of course, he's ready to help Barbara. But she doesn't need it. She's self-sufficient. She'll even help him out a little. But Alice doesn't bother. If there's a piece of paper on the floor, so what? Why bother when you can ask your husband? This is Martin. Clean it myself? How am I supposed to do that when my stomach's like this? Works like a charm. Martin also makes a great footrest, coincidentally. But it's not always his favorite role. A nice walk outside is a great activity for a future mom. Nature is soothing and brightens your mood. Barbara is just glowing as she takes it all in. She's getting tired though. She needs to find a place to rest. Oh, there's a bench. A great spot to rest a little and dream about motherhood. But such a quiet rest isn't for everyone. This party is so sick. And just guess, who came here? Future mommy Alice. Everyone is surprised, but not for long. This girl is the life of the party. Without her, it wouldn't be this fun. Woohoo! Now that's what I call a party.
Blech.
Listening to music is proven to be beneficial for your baby. Barbara offers a variety of classical pieces to the little bun in her oven. Isn't it so pleasant? You'll love this! And what about Alice? Hard rock is blasting from her headphones, and the baby has to listen too. But it's not loud enough. Turn the speakers to full power. Booyah!
Blech.
All kinds of people come together in a movie theater, including our pregnant friends. They want to get to the premiere too, but to get to their seats, They are going to need to clear the way. Make way for the pregnant ladies! Hey, be a little more careful! Good thing Barbara's right behind. She's the embodiment of all things good and sweet, but she does manage to make some chaos. Sorry, excuse me. Alice is meanwhile starting a military operation. Hey, don't you know these spots are for pregnant people? Come on, scram! Get out of here! You need to check your ticket before you just sit down. It's a good thing these guys aren't prone to conflict. Alice, take a deep breath. You'll calm down. Uh-oh, this couple chose a bad place again. Miss, please move your legs. Tangling with this mom-to-be isn't worth it. Why not shake it up and go to a body art studio? When else will you have an excuse? I'm sure you can guess. The girls are painted totally opposite. For Barbara, something light and sweet. Alice had something dark and chaotic. Well, yeah, what did you expect? The mom next door. And the wild mom of a child.
Wow!
Picking out baby clothes is so much fun. Barbara is enjoying herself. These soft pink clothes are so cute. Perfect for the baby. Aw, and the little matching rattle. Of course, it's pink too. And some cute decor for the crib. Hearts, pastel colors. It's perfect! Alice? Different story. Nothing boring here. Spikes on a onesie? Absolutely! No white diapers either.
Yeah.
And some spiders and stars. This nursery's atmosphere totally fits Alice's vibe. Good nutrition is the key to the health of the baby. Barbara tries to eat as healthy as she can. She makes sure to cover all the food groups. But Alice isn't afraid to have some fast food. French fries, burgers, and soda. Well, I don't know how nutritious that is for mom or baby, but Alice is cool with it. She's enjoying herself. And a happy mom means a happy baby. Time to learn how to take care of a baby. Barbara uses a little teddy bear to learn how to put on a diaper. Yes. This test subject will have to endure it all. Well, let's get started. It's hard if you're a beginner. Good thing stuffed animals can't cry. Don't worry, Barbara. You'll get the hang of it. I wonder how Alice's maternal wisdom is coming along. After all, she also has to figure out a diaper. What will she practice on? Well, here's the test subject. Her own husband. Poor guy. He has no idea what's in store. No, no, no! You can't experiment on people. It's illegal. But his attempts to flee are futile. Martin, buddy, there's just no point. Time to diaper up. Barbara is waiting for her husband to get home from work. Here he is now. And he brought flowers.
Oh,
Jack, this is so beautiful. But her hormones say otherwise. And Barbara's mood flips on a dime. Yup, Even the sweet moms-to-be can't always be sweet. Just worry about getting out in time. What a coincidence! Martin decided to get flowers too. But, knowing Alice, it's a little scary to think about her reaction. Unless, could it be? Yes! It's nice and perfect! Alice is also under the influence of hormones after all. And where did her old impudence go? Alice, are you feeling all right? It really is the miracle of life. What did you think of this video? Do you know any future moms? Are they sweet or bold? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you don't miss all the fun sketches on Troom Troom Wow!